The fan's running. So why is this meter still climbing? That's the number almost nobody checks. Here is the deal. Same acrylic, same cut file in LaserMaker, and same meter. One run with the fan, one with the thunder air extractor. By the end, you will see a number most fan owners have never looked at. Look through it. That's the whole fan, a propeller in a tube. It moves air, it does not clean it. A real extractor pulls that smoke through 5 stages. Spark protection, 2 pre-filter, activated carbon for the smell and VOC, and the H13 HEPA for the fine particles. And fan skips all of it. Fan on. Wake up, and here is the thing. You won't see much. Neither will your customers. The room looks fine, but watch the meter. The PM 2.5 and the VOCs climbing. The smoke didn't leave. The fan just spread it around the room where you can see it. That's the number nobody checks. Same cut. Now through the thunder air extractor. 700 cubic meters an hour. 400 pascals of static pressure. 5 stages of filtration. Watch the same meter. In our own bench test, the reading drops and stay down. You will note that the results may vary with material, ducting and filter condition, but the gap between the two is hard to miss. Second thing a fan can do, hold suction. The airflow numbers on the box is measured with nothing attached. This fan, 335 cubic meters an hour, 530 pascal of static pressure, and the Thunder Air 700, 400 pascal, about 7 times the push. Watch what happens when I put a real filter in the line. The fan's airflow falls off a cliff. The Thunder Air barely notices. Airflow gets the smoke moving. Static pressure is what actually gets it through the filter and out. Now be fair. A fan ducting straight out does clear your room. If you can vent and local rules allow it, do it. But a lot of you can't. Rentals, school, a Canadian winter, you're not heating out the window. Vent, nothing, and bare fan just circulate the same smoke around the room. And even when you can vent, nothing actually filtered. You're just moving the fumes and VOCs somewhere else. Filtration captures them instead of relocating them. So, was the fan a waste? It just moves air, but filters nothing. So you paid for a breeze, not clean air. The Thunder Air costs more upfront, but the pre-filters take the heat first and protect the expensive carbon and HEPA underneath. Most of the time, you just clean one filter, and the smart monitor tells you when anything actually clogged. Almost no running cost. A fan moves air, a system controls smoke. You can vent and stay legal, great. But if you can't, or if you care what's actually in your air, this is the difference. And maintenance, you just clean one filter, almost no running cost. Thunder Air Extractor fits Bolt, Nova, Nova Plus and Titan series. The link is below. You can check our previous video, the Thunder Extractor Air Linkage install. Your extractor starts and stops automatically with the laser. Plug and play on the Titan, a quick wiring mode on the Nova Plus. Subscribe for the next video and explore our machine at thunderlaser.com.